Today's topic is collocations. In this video, I would like to explain what's a collocation, its origin, types of collocations, and I have given some examples and also some exercises at the end of the video. So, what's a collocation? A collocation is made up of two or more words that are commonly used together. The words which often go together are collocations. Latin collocare means place together. Let us see some examples for collocations. Strong coffee, heavy traffic, go online, go abroad. Let's take an example. Strong coffee. You can't say powerful coffee. It sounds unnatural. It's wrong collocation. We can join strong and coffee to make a collocation, but not powerful coffee. So, what is the use of learning collocations? Collocations are key to vocabulary building. If you learn collocations very well, you can speak English fluently. When you learn a new word, try to write the words which collocate with it. That's the way to learn collocations. So let us see types of collocations, how collocations can be formed. So we can join a verb and noun. Example, give presentation. Can pair a verb and adverb, speak fluently. Noun and a verb, lion roars. An adjective with a noun, major problem. Adverb with an adjective, extremely useful. Noun and a noun, tomato soup. A verb, expression with preposition, filled with horror. So we can make collocations like this. Let us see what are unnatural collocations, what are wrong collocations. Before going to the detail, don't get confused between a phrasal verb and a collocation. Phrasal verb is a verb with a preposition or a verb with an adverb. You just now we have seen collocations can be formed 7 types. So let us see what are wrong collocations. First, powerful coffee. Correct collocation is strong coffee. Warmly invite, cordially invite. Make place, make room. Have some exercise, do some exercise. Do, the word do and exercise go together. So it's correct collocation. It sounds natural. Do exercise, do homework, but not have some exercise, have exercise. Have some exercise, it's unnatural, sounds unnatural. So let us see some more examples. Quick food is wrong. Fast food. Make homework is a wrong collocation. Do homework. Strong rain. Heavy rain. Heavy rain is a correct collocation. Let us see next slide. In this slide, I have given you collocations with have, get, go. Let us see some collocations with have. Have a fight, have a haircut, have a bite, have a good day. Make, make trouble, make room, make a cup of coffee, make a phone call. Break the ice, break the news, break a bone, break a record. Go deaf, go bankrupt, go online, go on foot. Take a decision, take a bus, take a break, take a look. Pay a bill, pay a visit, pay tribute, pay by card. Do business, do exercise, do the dishes, do the shopping. come, come under attack, come prepared, come to an end, come close. In this slide, collocations with have, take, go, make, break, get, come, pay, do, save, catch. I have given you some more examples with the words have, take, go, make, break, get, come, pay, do, save, catch. Read them carefully and try to use them in your daily life. So let us match the words in section A and section B. First word, have. Have fun. The word have can be joined with fun. Do the shopping. We can't say make shopping. Do the shopping sounds natural. It's correct collocation. Make a deal. Take a taxi. Break a record. Go abroad. Get married. Come to a compromise. Miss an opportunity. Keep a secret. Heavy traffic. So let us go to the next slide. Move to next slide. In this slide I have given you some exercises. This is your examination model. Fill in the blanks will be asked in your examination for this collocation topic. I have given you a box, answers in the box. Try to write suitable collocations in the blanks. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.